today is National Draw a Bird Day. So everybody that came into the KTDY control room today, we asked them to draw a bird and to sign their name. The actual story as to why today is National Draw a Bird Day is wonderful. These pictures, however, some of them aren't. This one is from Tammy Abear, one of our account executives. This, oh, look at this. This is from Steve Wiley.
That one's good.
That's a good bird. Sam drew a bird that looks kind of like a weenie dog. Poor Sam. This is our boss Mike, and he is the guy who gives us the Manager's Blue Plate special on Fridays, the last song we play on the Polyester Power Hour on Fridays.
He's also a very busy man.
This is what he drew.
I think he had more things to do today.
He basically drew an M. This is, Dave Steele, one of our IT guys.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Dave is one of the most patient human beings I know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Sweet Pea, the chef, and he does a little bit of everything in the area. Everybody knows him from the Crawley area. Sweet Pea.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm doing the manual zoom.
This is Janet. Janet's.
Oh, Janet drew a whole
Birds.
sky scene.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Janet, our receptionist. She helps us throw the ceremonial highlighter for birthdays in the morning. Gina, who was on with
Junior Achievement.
Achievement.
The Acadiana Business Leaders thing.
Okay. All right.
Nice. Nice.
That's her. Okay. And this, do we know who drew this?
That's Bernie's.
Bernie. Bernie still drawing with crayons.
Nice.
Okay. This one is, this is yours.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, look at that.
Actually, it goes the other way.
Okay.
No. Up and down. Up and down, yeah. It's a bird going for a fish. It's diving. There's a whole story that I created for my bird.
And this is mine.
Oh no!